Duke University is taking legal action against quarterback Darian Mensah because he wants to leave Duke for another college football program.
In a lawsuit filed today, Duke is asking a judge to issue an injunction and a temporary restraining order that would prevent Mensah from entering the transfer portal and joining another team. Kate Rogerson joining us now with more on this legal fight and the implications it could have going forward in this new world of NIL, Kate.
NIL is a mess. No one really knows what's going on, what you can do, what you can't do. But today we did learn this morning that Duke sued their quarterback, Darian Mensah. It comes after Mensah informed Duke head coach Manny Diaz his intent to transfer last week. However, the request that Duke made to prevent him from joining the portal was denied. The judge who made that decision is Durham County Superior Court Judge Michael O. Fallu. But now he's recused himself from future proceedings because he disclosed himself that he is a Duke basketball season ticket holder. Now, Mensah's lawyer, Darian Heitner, shared this update on X at 4:09 p.m. He says a new hearing is set to take place on February 2nd with a judge that has no ties to Duke. But for the time being, Mensah is not allowed to enroll at another school or play football at another school before a decision is made by a new judge. Last winter, Mensah signed a multi-year $8 million NIL contract with Duke that expires in December of 2026. He fulfilled year one this past fall when he led Duke to an ACC title. Mensah announced his plan to return to Duke for year two on December 19th. However, last Friday, just hours before that portal was going to close, he informed Duke that he wanted to transfer. Now, a source close to the program told me that suing Mensah isn't about trying to get him to stay at Duke and stay a Blue Devil. It's about setting a legal precedent that contracts mean something. And by the way, we should mention Darian Heitner, the lawyer for this case, teaches law and NIL at Miami, which just so happens to be one of the schools that Mensah's interested, or that reports of Mensah are interested in. So we'll have more coming up on this at 6 o'clock. But what Duke and Miami and Duke and Mensah have going on, it's messy and it's more to come.